Okay, today is October the 8th, 2015, and we're watching the Western U.S. Rainbow Infrared Loop, and we're watching the Southwest because there is a transmitter being turned on right here, and that is drying out this entire area. What's happening here is this Hurricane Oho has brought a lot of moisture into the Northwest and also into Canada. And a lot of that is wrapping around because of the high pressure they had out here, and that has wound a lot of this moisture back down into California and also in Nevada. Now what's happening here is that two things. They've got the planes out today and yesterday spraying the skies with chemtrails here in Los Angeles. I've got video of that. I can put that up. I know that's not very exciting, but it does document the fact that they are spraying in certain times when they need to, so this will document that. Also, this video here is showing that they have turned the transmitter on right here, a HAARP transmitter, and we can see the effect of that. It's drying out all of these states here. We've got California, Nevada, Utah, Arizona, and that's all right next to the spinning low pressure right here, counterclockwise. So what's going to happen is that this clockwise spinning high is going to generate a lot of offshore flow, a Santa Ana wind event, which will force a lot of wind through the area. And we can already see what's happening here. That high pressure is blowing all this rain offshore, all this precipitation here. All right, so today the skies are loaded with chemtrails, as they were yesterday, and I'm going to document that as a matter of record. Every time. I know that these chemtrail videos are not that exciting, but they do document the fact that that they are spraying at specific times. And in this case, this particular time, we have a chance of rain, quite a good chance from all this moisture. But as we see here, this high pressure is immediately evaporating all that moisture, and also the chemtrails are killing off all the moisture as well, causing the capping inversion layer. Two things that we need for rain, and that is moisture and lift. And the lift is being prevented by the chemtrails when they spray that stuff over the top of these clouds, these rain clouds. We can't get lift and we can't get precipitation, and we can actually see that here happening. So the high pressure and the chemtrails have diminish the rain for Southern California. All right, let's look at this in the, this is the water vapor loop, okay, and we can see that this is all just a mass of haze and chemtrail, water vapor and chemtrail from the evaporation taking place. We've got this HAARP transmitter right here, right next to this, and that's going to generate that'll generate a strong offshore Santa Ana wind event for a day or two until all this moisture goes away. All right, let's look at this in the Northeast Pacific water vapor loop. And we can see that this is a storm here, a developing storm, and is listed as such on the surface analysis map. This is that Hurricane Oho. They've pretty much killed that. We've got a lot of heat right here behind it, and we've got high pressure here, and now they're building it in right over here, right next to this. So, and Hawaii, of course, is always protected down here. It's always got a safe spot. Okay, here is the infrared loop. Got a new moisture field coming out of the Bering Sea. And that will feed this system. Okay, let's look at this on the geostationary image, satellite image right here. We can see what's going on. We have this spinning low pressure right here over Mexico and New Mexico and Arizona, and we have all this moisture field from that hurricane coming right back down into California. This should be bringing a lot of rain, but instead we see chemtrails all through this moisture field, all through there. In fact, you can see them right here, They're spraying all through here, offshore and onshore, all through this entire area. So these folks are controlling the weather. We don't have to wait for 2025. They've been doing this for a long time, and that's why we have a drought. So that's just a fact. There's no doubt that there are people in charge of our weather, and a lot of people don't know about it. It's time to wake up. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the National Hurricane Center data. We've got we have a disturbance identified over here with a 50% chance of hurricane formation in 2 days. All right. Okay, let's go back and look at the, this is the pressure map. This is the 500 millibar chart, and we can see the high that they're starting to install right here. It's actually right over here. That low up here, strong low pressure, that's a storm. Let's look at the 300 millibar. Pretty much the same picture. Very strong storm. A lot of isobars there, and that's a lot of pressure differential from here down to here. All right, and then we have the sea level map, which depicts a high pressure right here. And as we speak, they're installing this right now. So we're probably going to have some pretty strong winds by tomorrow from having two pressure systems right next to each other. And that would be this one right here on the right, which is a spinning low. This brought us the half-inch of rain a couple of days ago. It went right down California, and then it turned off this way. So we can see clearly what's happening here. They are drying out this entire area. And by tomorrow, this whole area here will look just like out here. Very, very tan. So by tomorrow, we'll expect to see this entire area be all tan. And the ground is still damp from that rain. We got a lot of rain in a short period, so it soaked the soil pretty good, and the soil is still it's still damp. We've got a 30.05 inches of mercury on the barometer today. The humidity is down to 32% from 84% last night. So that's the situation. And go ahead and do an update, possibly later tonight. Okay, that's it.